How to add liked songs to playlist on Spotify. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back here again with a simple tutorial on how you can add liked songs to your playlist. It is an easy and simple process, so let's get into the video. Firstly, open your Spotify app and you will be appeared to this homepage. Now click on the Your Library option. Tap on the playlist of liked songs. Now select the song which you want to add to another playlist and just click on the three vertical dots beside it. After that, different options will pop up on your screen, from which click on the Add to Playlist option. If you want to create a new playlist, just click on the New Playlist option at the top. But if you want to add the liked songs to the existing playlist, just click on the playlist name and that will add your liked songs to the playlist you have selected. And if you want to add another songs to the playlist as well, just repeat the process and the song will be added to the playlist. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe for more informative contents. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.